overview. The introduction of the new BMW R1200RT raises the bar, yet again, for dynamic touring bikes. The initials RT have always been synonymous with supremely comfortable, highly dynamic touring on two wheels. With its latest rendering in the form of the R1200RT, featuring a new engine and unique profile, BMW Motorrad is, once again, showing how things are done when it comes to fusing effortless travel abilities with sporty performance. More powerful boxer engine with larger centrifugal mass for even greater refinement and smoothness. Derived from the boxer engine on the BMW R1200GS, the new engine produces a peak output of 92 kilowatts, 125 HP, at 7,750 RPM and its maximum torque of 125 Nm, 92 lb-ft, at 6,500 RPM. On the new R1200RT, the centrifugal masses of both the crankshaft and the alternator were increased, resulting in an even smoother engine. Riding comfort has been improved by using a longer secondary transmission ratio to keep the engine RPM lower. ASC and 2 riding modes as standard. Riding Mode Pro with hill start control is available as a factory option. For optimum adaptation to the rider's individual needs, the new R1200RT is equipped as standard with 2 riding modes along with automatic stability control, ASC. The 2 riding modes, rain and road, allow the R1200RT to be adapted to most road conditions. The optional Extra Riding Mode Pro, meanwhile, includes the additional Riding Mode Dynamic plus the Hill Start Control function. The sporty nature of the R1200RT can be experienced to the full in dynamic mode, while Hill Start Control helps to make light work of stopping and starting on an uphill slope. Gear Shift Assistant Pro for smooth yet quick gear changing. The BMW Gear Shift Assistant Pro, available as a factory option, represents a world first for production motorcycle manufacture. It enables upshifts and downshifts to be made without operation of the clutch or throttle valve in the proper load and RPM speed ranges while riding. Even more agile chassis offering superior handling precision and comfort. Dynamic ESA for optimum riding dynamics in any situation is available as a factory option. The new R1200RT features a new, continuous main frame to give it even greater directional stability. And when equipped with the optionally available semi-active suspension, BMW Motorrad Dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, the new R1200RT attains unprecedented levels of riding safety, performance, and comfort, with the damping automatically adapted to the prevailing conditions to suit individual riding situations and maneuvers. 2014 BMW R1200RT Corona Rings optimized comfort, streamlined aerodynamics, more dynamic bodywork and optional LED Corona Ring feature headlight. Seating comfort and ergonomics have also been enhanced for rider and passenger alike. The ergonomic triangle formed by the handlebars, seat, and footrests has been lowered by 20 mm, 0.8 inches, to make it even easier to reach the ground, something that all riders and passengers will appreciate when maneuvering in tight spots or getting on and off the bike. Thanks to their outstanding comfort and effective wind and weather protection, BMW RT models have always been renowned for their excellent long-distance capabilities, now further improved by the addition of an optimized windshield. The front headlight assembly lends the new R1200RT a highly dynamic appearance, and the optional LED Corona Ring feature gives the new RT an even more appealing appearance that is distinctively BMW. Multifunctional instrument cluster with TFT color display, BMW Motorrad Pro onboard computer and innovative audio controls. The instrument cluster has undergone a complete makeover, with the new R1200RT now featuring a large 5.7-inch TFT color display to provide the rider with an even greater wealth of data. This is where the extensive information from the standard-equipped BMW Motorrad Pro onboard computer can also be selected. The display is supplemented by the analog speedometer and tachometer dials. And for the ultimate in touring comfort, The list of available factory-installed options includes an audio system with innovative operation via the multi-controller. New color scheme in 3 appealing variants. The RT's dynamic appearance is enhanced as a result of 3 new color compositions: quartz blue metallic, Callisto gray metallic matte and ebony metallic. Highlights of the new BMW R1200RT. Air/liquid-cooled twin-cylinder boxer engine with a displacement of 1,170 cubic centimeters. Output 92 kilowatts, 125 HP, at 7,750 RPM, maximum torque 125 Nm, 92 lb-ft, at 6,500 RPM. Crankshaft and alternator with increased centrifugal mass for even smoother engine running. 2 riding modes, rain and road, plus automatic stability control, ASC. Riding mode Pro with dynamic riding mode and hill start control as an option. Gear shift assistant Pro as an option for added comfort and speed when changing gear. New chassis with a continuous frame that is even more agile and more comfortable. Semi-active suspension dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, as an option. New bodywork in more dynamic design. Optimized comfort and aerodynamics. New, adjustable windshield for even better wind and weather protection. New headlight concept with optional LED corona rings. Multifunctional instrument cluster with large TFT color display. BMW Motorrad Pro onboard computer offering a wide range of information. Innovative audio controls. New colors. Options and accessories made to BMW Motorrad's customary high standards of quality. Base model, MSRP $17,650*. Value improvement over predecessor model equals $1,100. Added equipment, over predecessor model. $250, heated grips. $400, ASC, automatic stability control. $100 to $2 riding modes, rain, road. $100, steering damper. $350, onboard computer Pro. $100, multi-controller. $100, LED white turn signals. $300 lower base MSRP, $300. Standard package, MSRP $18,250*. Drivetrain. It was more than 35 years ago when one of the most powerful sets of BMW Motorrad initials first appeared, RT, a touring bike unprecedented in form, offering supreme comfort out on the road. Ever since, the BMW RT has reigned as the quintessential choice for highly comfortable and dynamic touring on 2 wheels. The latest incarnation of this innovatively appointed, high-performance tourer, the R1200RT, has been thoroughly optimized all-round and equipped with a new engine to make it even more adept at long-distance traveling combined with excellent riding dynamics. New boxer engine with higher centrifugal mass for even smoother running characteristics and supreme touring comfort. The new flat twin boxer engine is basically the same as the DOHC power unit on the BMW R1200GS. Prior to being installed in the R1200RT, however, it was first carefully tailored to the specific requirements of a touring bike. It produces an output of 92 kilowatts, 125 HP, at 7,750 RPM and musters its peak torque of 125 Nm, 92 lb-ft, at 6,500 RPM. 2014 BMW R1200RT liquid-cooled engine. Not only does the new engine generate considerably higher torque than its predecessor over the entire rev range, but torque delivery is more uniform as well, over 100 Nm, 74 lb-ft, is constantly on tap throughout the usable rev band. This has the effect of improving acceleration at all engine speeds and further enhancing the sense of effortless engine power that is so important on a tourer. Like the engine on the outgoing model, the new 1170 cubic centimeters unit still employs air/liquid cooling, but with water instead of oil as the cooling agent. Water's higher heat absorption capacity ensures more efficient heat dissipation, resulting in even greater thermal stability on long trips. With this system of precision cooling, only the parts of the engine that are particularly exposed to thermal stress are cooled by the coolant. The engine continues to be air-cooled too, thereby preserving the characteristic appearance of the boxer drive unit. The flow through the cylinder heads is now vertical, while the 6-speed gearbox as well as a light-action oil bath clutch with anti-hopping function have been incorporated into the engine housing for the first time on a BMW motored boxer engine. The secondary drive runs via the maintenance-free cardan drive shaft that is now placed on the left-hand side. 2014 BMW R1200RT The centrifugal masses of both the boxer engine's crankshaft and the alternator were increased in preparation for use on the new R1200RT to ensure yet smoother engine performance with even more comfortable running characteristics. The reduced powertrain vibrations help to produce a pleasant, fatigue-free riding experience on long journeys in particular. The longer secondary transmission ratio also helps to ensure greater comfort by allowing the boxer engine to run at a lower rev speed. The even more sensitive throttle response of the new BMW R1200RT is another indication of how its drive system has been further refined. The throttle twist grip's reduced operating angle and lower return forces are an additional boon to riding comfort. Last, but not least, the R1200RT has also been injected with added dynamism. Tractive power has been upped substantially compared to its predecessor, allowing it to power out of bends with even greater urgency, while its engine revs much more freely than before, too.